so sleepy, I feel like I could fall asleep any second. Do you feel like yawning too?
I will not catch it. My willpower is unbreakable. There's no way. Okay, fine. I yawned. It's called mirror neurons. When you see someone yawn, your brain copies them. It's a sign of empathy.
So you yawned after me because you actually care about me?
Well, from a neuroscience perspective, that interpretation is surprisingly accurate.
All right, science class dismissed. After watching this, are you yawning yet?